Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it all the way through. Tonight I am making fried chicken buttermilk style. This is my first time doing this, so don't be too judgy. It's my first time frying chicken. Not first time frying chicken, it's just my first time frying chicken this way. Normally my fried chicken do not come out right, but continue watching this video and you see how my fried chicken came out, girl, because I think I did it. I really do think I did a good job. You know, we got to get the music right. I always start off with her. She just gets the mood. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and then y'all can just enjoy this video. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when we post.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been.
We got our seasoning, my melta, because I like that with fried chicken, and then we got some Texas peas. We got us some limes because we're going to clean our chicken. Hey, Ruby. And I'm also making some fresh corn on the cob. I said that was booming. All right, guys. So I cleaned the chicken with a little bit of, you know what? Go to my Instagram right here. Here is my tag, and then you can watch me clean my chicken. I didn't do it in this video, but it is on Instagram, so make sure you head that way and follow your girl. So right now I am going to season my chicken. I'm using garlic powder, adobo, and then this is like the this has coriander in it and cilantro, so this color top. And then I am going to use some pollo chicken seasoning, and then we're gonna put just a dash of this hot sauce. So let's get into this. All right, guys, so now that that is seasoned and I put the buttermilk on there, I'm about to let it sit for about, oh, I hit you, boo-boo? I'm sorry. I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. We're gonna put this over it, which I should have used some aluminum foil, but for right now we're gonna use this wax paper. We're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes. Put it in the refrigerator. Now let that sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna put this in the freezer so by the time it's ready for dinner, that thing ready. All right, so I'm gonna get this ready. Ruby, none of that whining. No. What?
Ruby, shut your mouth.
I'm not measuring, girl. I'm gonna wait until my ancestors tell me it's enough. Matter of fact, let me turn this off. You know, we're waiting 30 minutes. Forgot to soak. I had the oil on, but I forgot your girl gotta wait for that buttermilk to get up in there. Am I recording? Okay, yeah, I'm recording. Okay, yeah, I'm recording. right. Now I'm gonna make some cake. Sir.
Come on, back that camera up.
Sir, where were you last night? What was you doing? What was you doing last night? What did you do? What did you do? Where were you? You hoe! You whore! What are you making, Trey?
Cornbread.
So say it. Tell them.
Oh, so I'm making cornbread. For today's menu, we have cornbread with a little bit of spice.
All right, now get the butter.
You need to stop spitting over the cornbread. When you said when you said spice, I saw some shit come out.
Okay, guys, this is the final look. This is dinner.
I'm ready to eat, my nigga.
Can you just say, see you in the next one?
See you next one. Come on.